AP baro ngi pedang subhai pi shaka thup khubor man taga janmiet shwaban pha shaki khubor ngi ne pechwai ki mat bakongsan lala ban wallam yaki south pasan ngot ki samla pule na India Bhutan Nepal lengba ka dauki ha Meghalaya na Bangladesh kabadon ha pedang ka jingyakin an Penshai ka sarkar Meghalaya ha kabaya day baka jingbishar yaki kot kisla ki nongtrei bawan na bar jilla On Penkio yaka tulop jonki nongtre ka 108 emergency service da saw na kashispa dawa ki weipat ki kenhuan ban Penkio show saka way na kashispa. But could not ka le niam be ding klam ha tu ber hapren ka jig ipu ipi. Ki khubor ki babanya ka sarkar Meghalaya ka lala ban wallam ya kumba south pa san ngut ki brio bakin thop yaki samla pule bat ki nonglet jingo kai na Bangladesh bala wallam yaki lengba ka daw ki jongka West Giant Hills district haka khatpra bat khatkhandai tarik minta ubnai kine ki kin thop yaki prapho ngut ki samla na Meghalaya chispa lai puwe ngut na ki wei bat ki jilla jongkari India arspa sab khandai ngut na Nepal bat phra ngut na Bhutan bat kum joru saw ngut ki nonglet jingo kai Menteri Rangba ka jilla Konrad ke sangma ulaya thu badang don sa kumba lai phun riungot ki samla pule na ka jilla ki badang sakut ha Bangladesh ka badang don minta hapden ka jingya kajya ha ka bayadei bat ka bha thongkam ha ka wei pat kalyang palat lai spa ngot ki samla pule jongkari India ki badon ha Bangladesh labatha ban let phaino shalayeng namar ka jingya ken at ka ba mi hapden ki bor pahara bat ki nongyale persha ha lor ka bha thongkam ka ba poisha ka jingyam jongki shispa saw ngot ki brew bat men saw 8000 san spa ngot kat hadu minta la sakhi baladon ka jingya ken at ha kane ka ri ba marjan minta la bunta yaw namar ka jingwan ra yaki matre kam bathmai ha ka bayadei bat ka bha thongkam
of them about 80 are from our state of Meghalaya itself and then the rest are from other parts of the state of the country. We also have students from Bhutan and Nepal also who were there and some tourists who were stuck who again crossed the border from Dauki's side. So the movement is on. We have already got our nodal officers here in the state as well as we are in touch with the Indian embassy in Dhaka.
Kasarkar Meghalaya kalakadaw shai ba omdon manu bala ban bishar yaki kot kisla jongki nong bala ki bawan na barjala balada jia kum kini ki jingjia kin ngat haka bor jongka an la pente baka work permit kamut ka jingpintre kam ya ka Interstate Migrant Act ka ba omdon yaki kindon ban le ya ka work permit henry ka don pat yaki kindon ha ki ba ki contractor ne ki nong ai kam ki la ban pinrung kerteng yaki ne ki nong bala la da don san ngut shaneng ki bawan shaka jilla ban tre kidai ban yat kat kum ka an bat pinrung kerteng yaki
There is no provision in the law when it comes to the work permit as such. There is no word called work permit. There was a particular notification to which I'm presuming that individuals and organizations are referring to, which use the word work permit, but later on clarified that the word work permit refers to the application of the Interstate Migrant Act. So therefore, that particular notification also ultimately came out with a corrigendum saying that work permit is not the actual word, but work permit means the implementation of the Interstate Migrant Act, which does not have any provision for work permit.
Kakenhuan Menteri Sarkar ka jilla Meghalaya hinnin kasngi kala minjur ya ka jingpin kala kerteng ya buon tali ki surok bat ki yeng sarkar ba pher ha ka jilla bakan thop ya ka jingpin kala kerteng ya ka surok hatura kum ban pensa nam ya Bishop George Mama Laseri ubala khlat no Ya kasurak PA Sangma Road Shah Holy Cross Hospital, Hatura Lapenkala Kerteng, ya ka Shah kasurak Bishop George Mamalaseri Road. Menteri Rangba Kejala Konrad ki Sangma Ula Ong bakatai kasurak Menshua Latip kum ka Holy Cross Road, ban minta an penkala no ya ka kum ka dak ban pensa nam ya u Bishop Kabalang Catholic, ubala Shakri Lasliambha Hatura, u Bishop George Mamalaseri, ubala Klat no hakasan tarik unaitung Arajar Arpusau.
Renamed the PA Sangma Road going towards the Holy Cross Hospital, which was earlier named as the Holy Cross Road, will be named as Bishop Mamalaseri Road, late Bishop George Mamalaseri Road. That also has been finalized. This, of course, is in memory of late Bishop Mama, who
Kasorkar Jilla kapantip bakatulop jong kinong tre ka 108 emergency service an penkiyo no da basaw nakashispa. Kementeri Ketenat Kakot Kekia Kakong Amperin Lingdo kalaong bala dep panyaminjer baon pentamai biang ya ka kontrak jong ki shispa prangut kinong tre hadien ka jingya peliu jingmut kabasani bha bat la minjer ban penkiyo ru ya ka tulop da saw nakashispa % ya ka balasa teng minta bat ka National Health Mission ka bahap hapo jong Ketenat Kakot Kekia. Kakong Lingdo kalaya thu bakalayo pediang ya ki jingtho badon sekiwe ki kenhuan jang kinong tre kum ki ERO kinong nya kali bat ki receptionist ka 108 ki bom pat ngau hun ya ka jingpen ki ya ka tulop jong ki tangsaw nakashispa bat ki kwa shu sa komba iwe nakashispa.
Workers permitting after consultation a 4% increase in their salaries because these were pending before the Department of Health under the NHM.
Kakenhun jong kinas ka jilla hinnin kasngi kilalet banyak kendu ya ka menteri Ketenat Kakoi Kekia kakong Amperin Lingdo bat kentu ya ka bakadai ban weng shua ya ka jingpen bana thongkam ya kinas pasipor ka balat hadu kuma lais pa tali AA hakaleng ki hospital ha ka jilla kila kerpat ya ka menteri ban pendam no shua ya ka examen thongkam na ka benta ki staff nurse ki ban chutre kontrak namar ka jing sngokia yo don ka jing bom khud bom suba hakaliang ka thongkam bat kila kentu badai ban thong da ka permanent ban pentikna bakan don ka jing sngoshngan ya ka kam
ya katuka chimpini ya katuka post kaba dated 8 of July 2024 katuka ba kadai ka recruitment joki contractual staff nurse di kalong ningkong ya kaban cancel ya kanika recruitment daka contractual namar bangismo ba nimso ya hab ya kabangin shu sha recruit kumka daka contractual post
UMLA kamau kerwat uba Renington Lingdo Tongkar ulalet ban jurip ya ki jingpentre ya ke scheme mau kerwat Greater Water Supply Scheme bat kamau saw Combined Water Supply Scheme ya kabala bay tingka hadu sanpukandai klur bat khatpra klur hapo ka Jal Jeevan Mission. Habaya kran wakilat pathai khubor uba Tongkar ulapen pawe ka jingkmen bat ka jing ya chaprang jongki kam haga jingpentre ya ka scheme mau kerwat Greater Water Supply Scheme kabla long komban nyopo na ka shispa kat ba ka jingpentre ya ka scheme mau saw Combined Water Supply Scheme kalalong komban riopo na ka shispa ula ong ru ba kat kum ka jingpet benya jongki officer baro artali ki project kinsala ben pendep hapdeng ubnai no pra minta usnem hadu ubnai liber usnem arajar arpusan.
Kila bon kila tamme ka 50%. Kata ka masuk man hado kata progress kala tamme ka 50% haman laki item ka bangio bangi page bar ki don ru ki bala jan poi satang bandep no ki bala poi hado 70% hado 80% ru ki bala poi ka completion stage. Tenga da sok man hado kata ku no hikmat banyo iba kan de kajing persang jungi kalong successful wala kala don kajing rit musim kajing ting mensual laki la na bantrei ki lokal kontraktor jungi te hendrei habangila persang yo ya kajing la jugi di bru jungi nga
Ki angon ki kena ki badan sab ha ka jingele ka football na kasnang Maulong Hariboy district kila sha ajiet banlet sha pentebit ha ka Sporto Soccer Club Residential Academy ka badan ha Wayanad Kerala u refinement rinshong u badan khatsau snem karta bat u balawan pai matong u badan khatsau snem karta kin yo ya ka jingsha hikai ka bapaka na ki rio shampang ha ka jingele kai kumbasau snem rinkat ka jingyai beteng ya ka jingpuli jongki u MLA kanong po uba Meral Bonds EM ula ai ya ka jingket bok kit ruang ya kini ki kena ya lekai ba ula IT ru ya ka jingya rap pisa ka ba arpusan hajar tingka kum ka jingya rap ha kini ka jingya linti jongki Kale niam be ding klam ka bahe tam hari lum jantia ka bala penlong da ka sen right tuber kala kutno ha ka sngi tho ding ha ka snong tuber kmai ha East Janta Hills kane ka jingle niam kala kring ya ki pat ba ki babun katu ka ne na ki jingle niam ba kongsan bala pendap ki kinthop ya ka knya rengkau ka jing ai ngo ya ka blay ka bayada ya ka rat bala penya da uling do ka we pat ka jingle niam ka de ka be klam ha ka ba ki de khot jong ka sen right ki ba mare rengkat ki ding nadu ka sepni shadow kapang mikni jong ka snong da ka batiet ya ka no ka badon ha ka linti jongki banbe e ka klam ki artli pat ki jingle niam ki bakhat do balale hashwa bat hadien bala pengam ya baro ki rot ki bala wanra shaka atnar ki long kayatan bhang bat ka yaslat kumban ribu pratali ki rot la wanra shaka atnar na palat arpu pratali ki snong ha ka sngi tho ding ha ka ne ka sngi pen kot la ya wan don lang do umintri ka tnat arts and culture u ba poling do kumukongsan bat umintri ka tnat revenue and disaster management u ba kermen shilla Yagi kusnam Duran Cup lapin ipat ba hatura West Garo Hills da kishipai Indian Armed Forces balakarshan ru da sarkar Meghalaya. Kane ka jingile kai kan long ka basa kin mau na ka benta ka jilla Meghalaya. Hakaba kan pen long ya ki jingile kai Duran Cup ha ka sien ka baningkong. Ha kane ka jingpen ipat ba la sakhi ya shipai baki ra ya kane ka kap pau nam ha shilenter ki surok katura hapren ki jinga thap kti ba ki jingri sa jong ki pat ba ya ki kali jong ki shipai la pen itna da ki dur jong kane ka kap ka bala ya lengba ya ki jaka bala khampau bakan thop ya ka nazing bazar aramail tetong kol bat hawa khana hashwa ban pinkot hamadan PA sangma stadium haman la ki jaka sange ki he sarkar ba ki nong petkai jong kane ka than ki la ya lum lang na kabanta ka jinka we lama bat ki jingle kmen
Sports enthusiasts and players alike has been looking forward to this tournament such a long time, and this is not only a sport that gives us the pleasure of watching this kind of games, but also it unites us together.
Hakalimpong Women's Asia Cup T20 Cricket ka India ka babat ya ka namla du ka lapin remno ya ka Pakistan dah nyaw wicket ha ka jingya kun ka basdang jong kane ka limpong ha dambula ha Sri Lanka hinin ka janmit ha ka ba be ya ka thong ka ba shispa khandai ran ka India ka lala ban poi sha ka ni ka thong da ka basa sa nyaw tali ki wicket hakti ba lai pusan tali ki ball ki badang sa kinong ile kai ba shakmat ka India ba kintup ya ka Smriti Mandhana ka balala ban kamai 100% run bat ka Shefali Verma ka bala kamai 100 run kilalong ka jing no sinyang ka ba corridor ha ka ni ka jing job jong ka India men tapat ngin pe ya ka jing long jing man ka sun beneng ka jing shit ka long r.r degree Celsius pa ka jing kriat ka long khat.r degree Celsius ka jing ngam ka haw ka long prabupra na ka shispa min step bat riupupra na ka shispa janmit kandon ka jing hap slap ba malumala habun ki jaka Shuaban poy siya bakot jong katup kubor ngin pet biang sasisien ni kimat bakongsan. Lalaban walam ya ki South Pasangot ki samla pule na India, Bhutan, Nepal, lengba ka daw ki ha Meghalaya na Bangladesh ka badan ha padeng ka jingyakin at. Pinsyar ka sarkar Meghalaya ha kabayad day ba ka jingbishar ya ki kot ki slaki nong tray bawan na bar jilla. On penkiyo yakatulap jong kinong treka 108 emergency service da saw nakashispa dawaki way pa kikenhun pan penkiyo shu sakaway nakashispa. Bat kutno kale nyam beding klam hatu ber hapadeng kajing ipu ipin. Te parlok kato nila po siya bakut jong katup kubor jong imenta ka janmit hado bangin dia syambiang bat pila syai kasngi kablaya pi baro.
Singh in New Delhi expresses hope they can work together for welfare of Nagaland. Union Minister Hawananda Hunwal visits Nalia Pool in Dibrugarh hit by recent floods, urges Assam Chief Minister to take steps for permanent solution. And in Women's Asia Cup T20 cricket, Thailand defeat Malaysia in first match, Sri Lanka to lock horns with Bangladesh in second match in a short while from now. National news first. In Jharkhand, Union Home Minister and senior BJP leader Amit Shah today said the demography of the state is changing due to infiltration from Bangladesh. Addressing an extended working committee of Jharkhand BJP at Prabhat Tara Maidan in Ranchi, Shah accused incumbent Hemant Soren government of not paying any attention to infiltration and treating it as a vote bank. He also alleged that Hemant Soren-led government is the most corrupt government in the country.
भाई और बहनों, ये विस्तृत सम्मेलन के अंदर झारखंड के हर बूथ से कार्यकर्ता आए हैं। मैं आप